Side of big trees.
Jeff's Fireworks, 2010, July 4.
Oh yeah. After a while it felt like.
This is the first one. Looks like a mix of everything. Yeah. And I guess we got some 3-inch shells here. Yeah. And now on to the big stuff. This here. This here. And then all of this. Look at all the tubes. Every tube is a shell. He's got a couple hundred of these. Yeah, a few hundred. Bunch of them here. And some 3-inch shells. And that's it. Oh, is there more? Oh.
What's that? Oh, this is a big one right here.
Oh.
That's my Thunder.
Oh, this is the big ones, eh?
We're going to set the car alarms off.
Uh-oh.
3-inch titanium salutes.
Yeah, those are huge.
That's the loud smooths, and they're loud.
You have to build them.
Back of the truck.
He's got the truck loads.
I made the tubes. I made the tubes.
And more over here. And more tubes. What, do you got double of last year or what?
680s.